Hello everybody. How are you today? I hope that you are doing okay. I hope that you have had a very nice weekend and that you have enjoyed your Holy Week. So we are going to study today a new topic, and this topic is called the present continuous or the present progressive. Some people said present progressive sometimes to this topic. So here we have The Simpsons, and this is a really known family in the USA and around the world. So, as I already said, I hope that you are doing okay. Carol and Juan Sebastián, and Saidi, and Maria Jose, Melissa, Gabriela, Yarbe, Catherine, Elizabeth, Sara Sofia, and Miguel. I hope that you are doing okay. So let's start with the new topic that is the present continuous. So it says, here we have Lisa, and she says present continuous. Okay, we use it to talk about actions that are happening at the moment, now, or actions happening today. So have in mind that, so actions happening now at this moment today. Okay, for example, I am teaching English. Yes, I am teaching English, or am teaching English. Or I am speaking English, right? I am speaking English now at this moment. Or I am recording a video. I'm recording a video, or I'm recording a screencast for you guys. Okay, those are actions that are happening at this moment, right now, today. Okay, so let's continue. We have here the form, and the form we have the subject. We have the subjects I, you, he, she, it, you, we, and they. And then we have the verb to be, yes, plus verb to be. The verb to be, we have am, is, or are. Okay, am, is, are. And finally, we have the verb with the ing. Okay, verb plus ing. So here we have some examples. Okay, so pay attention to the examples. So the first example that we have here, and Lisa says, I am reading. So I, subject, am, verb to be, read, plus ing, reading. Yes, I am reading. That is an action that is happening right now, at the moment. And then we have Bart. Bart or he is the same, Bart or he. So he is, so he, subject, is, verb to be, playing. Playing, we have verb play with the ing, so the guitar. So he is playing the guitar, or Bart is playing the guitar. Let's continue with Maggie. We have she is walking, or Maggie is walking. So she, subject, or Maggie, subject, is, verb to be, walking. Verb walk plus ing, walking. She is walking now at this moment. And finally we have, we have they, or we have Bart and Skinner. Two people, Bart and Skinner, are running. So Bart and Skinner, subject, or they, subject, are, verb to be, and running, there is the verb with the ing. Okay, running. We can say another example with you. So you, subject, are, verb to be, learning English. Yes, learning, we have the verb with the ing. You are learning English. We can say another example. We, you, and me, we are learning English, or we are having fun. Yes? So, those are some examples with to the present continuous. So here we have some rules. So pay attention to the spelling rules. We have some general rules here, and the first one says verbs ending in E. So, los verbos que terminan en esta vocal E, it says remove the E and I and add ing. For example, we have dance. Podemos mirar, as you can see, termina en E. ¿Qué pasa con la E? La quitamos y adherimos ing. Dancing. Write. Tenemos por acá el mismo caso. Write, writing. Write, writing. Okay? That's the first rule. Second rule. Verbs with one syllable ending in vowel plus consonant. Double the consonant at add ing. Los que tienen una sílaba. Verbos con una sílaba que terminan en vocal más consonante. Aquí tenemos el primero. Example. Sit. Aquí lo miramos. Una sílaba. Termina en vocal. Aquí está. Plus consonant. Vowel plus consonant. ¿Qué hacemos con la consonant? Double. We double the consonant and add ing. Sitting. Same case to run. Vowel, consonant. So here we double the N and add ing. And we have swim. We have swim. Vowel plus consonant. We double the M and add ing. Okay, so those are the general rules for the present continuous. So I hope that you guys understood the topic. I hope to see you on Saturday, as always at 9 a.m. Okay, I hope to see you at 9 a.m. and that's everything for today. So bye bye. If you have doubts or questions, you can write me on the WhatsApp group or wherever, okay? Or you can call me wherever you want. I hope to see you on Saturday. Don't forget that. Bye bye.